Have you ever wanted to make soft, fluffy burger buns at home, but you thought you need milk, butter, or even stand mixer? Well, today I'm going to show you that you don't need any of those. This recipe is simple, beginner friendly, and uses basic pantry ingredients that you already have at home. These burger buns come out incredibly soft, light, and beautifully golden brown with a delicious flavor. If you have been looking for a burger buns recipe that is affordable, easy to follow, and give you that bakery style result without any fancy equipment, then you are in the right place. So grab your ingredients, let's make the softest homemade burger buns together. If you enjoy easy baking recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Start by adding a half cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of instant yeast, followed by 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Give everything a good mix until the sugar and yeast are well combined. Now cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This gives the yeast time to activate. After 10 minutes, you should see a nice foamy layer on top. This means the yeast is active and ready to use. So before adding the flour, don't forget to add 1 large egg. I actually forget to add mine at this stage, so I had to add it later. Trust me, it is much easier if you add the egg before the flour. After gradually adding the 2½ cup of flour, so I add the egg and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together with a spatula until the dough becomes too thick to stir. At this point, use your hand to bring the dough together into a rough ball. Transfer the dough to a work surface and knead it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Kneading develops gluten, which helps to create soft, fluffy burger buns with a light texture. Keep kneading until the dough feels smooth, soft, and slightly elastic. Once the dough is ready, divide it into 6 equal pieces. If you prefer larger burger buns, simply divide it into 4 or 5 pieces instead. Take each piece of dough and gently shape it into a smooth round ball by pulling the edges underneath until the surface is nice and tight. Arrange the dough balls on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, leaving enough space between each because they will expand as they rise. Using a flat dough scraper or even the bottom of a clean cup, gently press each dough ball down slightly. This helps to create the classic burger bun shape. Cover the tray again with a clean towel and let the buns rise for about 45 minutes. Once the buns has doubled in size, brush the tops gently with beaten egg. This gives them that rich golden color and beautiful shine after baking. Sprinkle sesame seed over the top for the classic burger bun finish. Bake in a preheated oven at 190 for about 15 to 18 minutes or until the tops are beautifully golden brown. Once they are out of the oven, let them cool for a few minutes. And just look at these beautiful homemade burger buns. They turn out so light, soft, and delicious, and the best part is that we made them without milk, butter, or mixer. I really hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!